Reading for sign of Sagittarius for the month of May throughout. So what you can guys possibly expect in your love life, soulmate relationships. So what's the main focus going to be? Spirit, one card. What's the main focus going to be for the sign of Sagittarius throughout the month of May? One card. What's the main focus going to be for Sagittarius throughout the month of May? I hope you guys are doing well. Sorry for the late reading. Okay, so main focus, I believe that you guys are trying to restart something, taking like small steps towards something that you're wanting to grow with time, with the wheel of fortune at the bottom here. You believe that this thing is going to move forward. This may be a relationship, a job, a career option, whatever it is. I do feel on a very strong note that you guys are starting something. You guys are very eager to take steps forward or to possibly invest somewhere. Okay, so one card for your strength throughout the month of May. One card, what's your strength going to be throughout the month of May, Sagittarius people? With King of Swords, I see you guys thinking very practically, thinking very logically, taking like decisions based on logic or past or experiences. Not really like letting your emotions like mess up with you in any which way. You're going to be very straightforward to the point. In some which way, someone might even call you a bit heartless or someone who's a bit emotionless, but it's going to help you because you're going to make very logical decisions now. Okay, you might be very eager to speak your truth, to speak your mind. I see you being very very straightforward, like to the point. Okay, and you would not hide or you would not really hold yourself back from speaking your mind, and that's going to be your strength throughout the month of May. You are going to be very straightforward and you're going to be very honest. Okay, it may even come off as very hard sometimes, like in some which way, like people may get hurt. You know how things go when you're too straightforward. People may take you as someone who's very much heartless, insensitive. Okay, so yeah. So one card for the past, one card for Sagittarius past. So what was going on in Sagittarius life? One card for the past. In the past, you guys went through a lot of transformation, death card, endings, transformation. I see something ending in your life, or you guys were going through a lot of turmoil, and through the turmoil, you have kind of tried to heal yourself with the star card. You guys are trying to change yourself with the death card here. You guys are going through a possible, you guys are evolving. Okay, I see you guys changing your ways in some which way, trying to heal yourself from the past. Okay, so one card for, like, let's see, Spirit, tell me one card for what's really coming towards Sagittarius throughout the month of May. What's really coming towards Sagittarius throughout the month of May? With Justice card, some of you guys might be connecting with a Libra, someone who's very logical, practical, balanced. Okay, I could see this person being very financially stable for some of you. This person is very very interested in you. If it's a Libra or if it's a possible fire sign for some of you, okay, I see fire and earth very very strong. It could also be a Libra. Okay, but this person is very interested in restarting with you. Okay, so yes, let's start the reading now. Spirit, give me one card for what's the overall energy going to be like for Sagittarius and their soulmate throughout the month of May. What's the overall energy going to be like for Sagittarius and their soulmate throughout the month of May? Throughout the month of May, I feel in some which way that you guys are not really wanting to get into commitments. Okay, you guys do enjoy each other's company, but not exactly wanting to get into commitments. Okay, so give me one card. What's your soulmate's energy going to be like towards Sagittarius? What's Sagittarius soulmate's energy going to be like towards Sagittarius? But I do feel on some which way that you love each other's company. Okay, this person does make you feel good. Okay, let's see their energy towards you now. For some of you, this person is a businessman, businesswoman. someone who's doing well financially for themselves or trying to do well financially for themselves. Okay. This person has some issues with the past with Five of Cups. This person might not open up very easily because of their past problems, past issues. With Five of Cups, this person also might in some which way feel like, they kind of made you go through a lot in the past. With Five of Cups, you guys were involved in some which way with this person, and this person does have regrets for not really doing much about it in the past. Okay, so how are they possibly going to come forward towards Sagittarius now? How are they possibly going to come forward towards Sagittarius? One card. How are they possibly going to come forward towards Sagittarius? This person might want commitment. Trust me on this. Out of nowhere, this person might just put it out there that they're wanting to get committed. I know the energy throughout the like month of May might be that you guys don't end up in a commitment, but this person will come off someday wanting commitment. As of now, the energy is such that you guys are not really wanting to get into a solid commitment. As of now, you guys are enjoying each other's company. You guys are enjoying chatting or communicating. This person has regrets for letting you go in the past with Five of Cups. They made you wait a long time. They did not do shit about it with Seven of Pentacles. They were waiting for you to change or for you to take some solid action, and nothing possibly happened here because we still have Nine of Pentacles. But I believe this person does want commitment with you in some which way. Okay. So one card for their current feelings towards you, sorry. In terms of current feelings, we have King of Wands. This person is very interested in you. In some which way, this person finds you very attractive. They are very passionate about you, like very sexually passionate about you. They feel like you look good. You are very good at communication as well. Okay. Spirit, give me one card for how do they feel when they think of you, when they miss you. One card for how does the Sagittarius soulmate truly feel about Sagittarius. Right now, this person is wanting nothing but healing. Okay, they want to heal the connection. But with Six of Wands, this person wants a lot of your attention. But at the bottom of the card, we have Four of Swords. Sometimes we do take it as a break, but I see it with Six of Wands as this person wanting healing with you. They are wanting to fix the connection. Yes, they might take some time away from you, but that does not mean that they are breaking away from you or breaking free from you. Okay, this person wants your attention. Whenever they think of you, they want your attention. Whenever they miss you, they want your attention. Okay, so one card for what are they possibly wanting to offer you now? What are they possibly wanting to offer you? With the Magician, this person is wanting wanting to manifest this connection with you, wanting to manifest this bond with you, wanting to manifest this relationship together with you. With Nine of Cups, they look at you as a wish fulfillment, as a dream. I won't say dream come true, but I'd say wish fulfillment. They want to be with you. Okay, and with the Magician, they will put in effort. So what can you possibly expect from them now? One card for what can Sagittarius possibly expect from them now, from their soulmate. With Ace of Cups, this person will open up emotionally. This person will express emotionally. They will want to build on this connection. They will want to build together with you. With Ace of Swords, they will, I swear to God, this person will express their feelings to you. Okay, they will open up with Ace of Swords. They will open up about the feelings that they have for you, and you guys, in some which way, are going to finally express the feelings that you have for each other. Yes, the energy at the very start of the reading told me that with Nine of Pentacles that you guys are not exactly getting into commitment, but you guys will start expressing your feelings. Okay, so that's what I see. So one card for their intentions towards you, one card for their intentions towards you. In terms of intention, this person wants to reconnect with you. Six of Cups, they wanting to get back with you. If this is someone from the past, this person is wanting to get back with you very strongly and rebuild with you. If it's a new person, they are wanting to connect with you on a very soul level. Okay, so how do they view you, or how do they see you now? One card for how do they possibly view or see you now. It's a very positive reading that we've got for you guys. I hope you possibly like the video if it has resonated so far. They see you as someone who's trying to juggle like between them and someone else, or you might trying to like possibly you might have more than one options. Okay, I believe for some of you, if it's not a person, it's between you, your love life and your work life. You are trying to trying to focus between your love life and your work life, your pentacles and your emotions. Okay, for some of you, they could also see you as someone who has more than one options. I mean, if you're good looking, definitely you ought to have more than one options. So yeah. So one card for where this connection is possibly moving forward. One card for where this connection is possibly moving forward. So they know that you are not exactly too focused on them. They know that you have some other things going on in your mind right now. With Nine of Cups, I do feel that you guys will reconnect, you guys will express, you guys will be happy throughout the month of May. I see it going very good for you, Sagittarius people. Okay, so what are they possibly wanting from you now? One card, what are they possibly wanting from you now? One card, what are they possibly wanting from you now? With Empress card, this person wants to grow and build with you, like emotionally, financially, as family. They are wanting to grow with you, and they are wanting you to choose them. In terms of action, I see this person wanting you to choose them. Okay, they have feelings for you. I can guarantee you on that much. Okay, so what was the main problem in the connection? What's the main issue in the connection, or the main blockage that's stopping you from coming together? The main problem was someone was trying to be a player or trying to behave like a player, where they were interested in the other person, but they were not exactly wanting to commit. Commitment could be one of the main issues, because we have Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands is not a person that stays. Knight of Wands tries to explore their options, try to be open to other people as well. So the commitment could be one of the main issues, or someone's player-like tendencies could have been a main problem in the connection. Okay, so one card for what's their message for you now. Soul to soul message from Sagittarius, soulmate to Sagittarius now. I keep myself busy, but I keep thinking about you. Okay, that's what they're wanting to say. And in some which way, they feel like they have made it hard for you because they were not wanting to express or wanting to be open to you in the past. Okay, and darling, you are perfect to me. That's their message. We don't say it, but we both feel it. Darling, you are perfect to me. So they look at you as someone who's perfect for them. They also know that you are not exactly focused on them like they would like you to be, but in some way they do see you as someone they would want to be forever with. Okay, so this was your reading. I hope you connect with the reading. Please do hit the like button, guys. It is very important for me to to get more likes, so that it gets more views. So I hope you understand that, and if it really resonated with you, I would like a subscribe, and if you want to comment, that's more than welcome. Thank you so much, and see you soon.